In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to make and use a smithing station in Grounded 2. So to be able to actually make them, we need to firstly run into this research center, I think it's called, and then go into the ranger station here, and then go into the science shop. And you need to actually get the smithing station right here. You need to purchase this one. I have already purchased it, and I think it costed 500 science points if I'm not mistaken. But basically now when you have gotten it, we can now run back. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be able to make it. So I'm just going to run here. I think here is the best. So I'm going to click on the B button on my keyboard, and you can see if I just go forward here on the first, but on the third here, you will be able to see smithing station. So you need 1 brittle whetstone, 1 brittle plating, 4 crude ropes, and 2 saps. So the only thing that is hard in this one is brittle whetstone and brittle plating, but it's not really that hard. I'm going to show you on the map exactly where you can get a lot of them. So if I zoom out, here's the snack bar front, the main city where you spawn first time. And in here, as you can see, this is the stone here. This is basically a cave. So around this area and also in the cave, you will be able to actually mine a lot of those things that will get you that. And tier 1 hammer is good enough, just so you know. And now when you have done so, you can go into the workbench here. And then on resources right here, you will be able to get brittle whetstone and brittle plating. So for brittle whetstone, you need this one, quartzite shard, and you will be able to find this one in the cave itself. There's a stone that you need to basically hammer down, and you will be able to find it. Plating, you will be able to find outside of the cave, in that space, where I showed you basically around this area right here. So now when you have done it, you can just start now creating one. So I'm just going to click on smithing station right here, click left click, and then click on E here. So as you can see, we can now, for example, take this one right here and select this one. And yeah, they will be able to upgrade it, but this is what we need to be able to upgrade it, as you can see. So when I have 2 brittle plating, I will be able to upgrade this specific weapon, right, or this specific hood right here. And yeah, basically this is exactly how to make and use it.